Hello guys, in this video I would like to solve a question based upon Kirchhoff's voltage law. So let's start here. In order to solve any question, I have explained these steps. The first step is that as you know that it is series connected circuit, you have to mark the current flow. As already direction is given I current, so I will mark this current as I, that this is the current flowing direction here. This is the number one step in solving any problem using KVL. In the second step, you have to make or mark polarities. If the polarities are given, that's well and good. If polarities are not given, you have to mark polarities. For this, it is not given, so right hand rule is saying that current flowing terminal is positive and leaving is negative, so it is plus minus. This is plus minus, minus plus, minus plus, and minus plus. All polarities are given. This is the second step completed. In the third step, you have to name the sources or loads here. You know that it is I name as V1. Okay, this is Vs, this is my VD. For example, it is depending voltage source. It has polarity plus and minus, and you know here it is Vs1. Okay, and it is Vs2. Vs2. It has polarity of minus plus. It is V naught and it is minus plus polarities. The polarities are okay now. Next step, I have to write the master or main equation using KVL. The KVL starts from source and from higher source, and you have to write the first polarity in the equation. Its first polarity is minus, its first polarity is plus, its first is minus, its first is minus. So write the equation of KVL: minus Vs1 plus V1 plus Vd minus Vs2 minus V naught is equal to 0. This is my main or master equation of KVL. Now put the values of each element in terms of voltages. It is minus 12 volt plus V1. V is equal to IR, that is 4 into I, plus Vd. Vd is equal to 2 V naught minus Vs2 is equal to minus into 4 volt and minus V naught. V naught value is IR based 6 resistance, and current, as you know that it is flowing in opposite direction, so it will be minus I is equal to 0. Now you have to solve it in terms of current. V naught value, what will be the value of V naught? You have to put here. As you know that V naught is equal to minus 6I, because current is flowing in negative terms, so V naught is equal to minus 6I. So it is the value of V naught. Put V naught value here, okay, and solve in terms of current I. So minus 12 plus 4I plus 2 V naught, 2 into V naught minus 6I minus 4 minus minus plus 6I is equal to 0. So solve it. Minus 12 plus 4I minus 12I minus 4 plus 6I is equal to 0. So in terms of current, minus 12 and minus 4, it will be equal to minus 16 plus 4 minus 12 and plus 6, it will be equal to minus 2I is equal to 0. 2I on right side, 2I is equal to minus 16, or I is equal to minus 16 by 2, or minus 8 ampere. So the value of current is found here. Based upon this equation number 2, V naught is equal to minus 6I is equal to minus 6 into I is minus 8. It will be equal to plus 48 volts. So V naught will be equal to plus 48 volts. At this point, we have to summarize each and everything here. What we have to do, we have to mark the names. We have to mark the loop current in the loop and polarity making according to that current. If polarities are given, that's well and good. If polarities are not given, you have to mark the polarity based upon entering point of current is plus and leaving is minus. So based upon that, you have to write the voltages equation. Okay, and the next step, you have to put the values of the variables and you have to solve the equation. Hopefully you have got the clear idea how to solve the question. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.